Today is part 10 of the Mediterranean race and the final video in this series. I have yet to come to a few related videos. So we have the Indid races, the Taurid races, the Ternid race, the Ternid spectrum, and the Lapoids still to cover, but those are all to come. And the Indids aren't covered by Coon, neither are the Ternids, but we will come to them. The Lapoids are covered by him, and we'll get to those. And we'll also get to the brachycephalic races of Europe and the Middle East. So, Dinarids, and also the Alpinids. And then we've got a handful of Mediterranean Cro-Magnons still to cover. So, the examples in this plate's a little bit different to the others, because except for maybe one of the Vedoid individuals I showed, these folks are just over half, about 50 to 60% Caucasoid, so they have substantial Negroid admixture. But all except the last example here are basically Mediterranean, though they do show features. The last woman here is also from a Mediterranean group, but you can see clearly the blend. So, the first example is a Somali. Now the Somalis look more Negroid influenced than the Ethiopians, which I'll show next. This fellow represents the more Mediterranean looking strain among the Somalis. So he is from the tribe Mahmud Grad, however one pronounces the last part of that, and he belongs to a type which has been present in East Africa for a long time, so he's a pre-Negroid recapitulation. Then we have this fellow. Now there's a problem with these next two plates in that one of them was uploaded wrong. So one of the figures from this plate is missing, and there's a double. So this fellow's either he's an Ethiopian, but he's either a Hamitic speaker from a small group called Agao, or he's part of a Semitic-speaking group from Shoa. So he could be from the north, could be from the south, could be Hamitic, could be Semitic. But anyway, you can see the Mediterranean features are strong in him. I mean, it's said he's almost purely Mediterranean and shows no signs of Negroid mixture. Okay, moving on. This is another fellow from Ethiopia. He's a Hamitic speaker, and he's of the Walla Gagala. And he is said to show, you can see he's not brachycephalic, but he's said to show some elements of a stronger brow-ridged brachycephalic strain that is present as a Caucasoid element in Ethiopia. Moving on to this last one, I've censored it a little due to the differences in convention between the West and these groups. But this is a Baghara woman from Sudan, and it's said that she shows the Mediterranean quality in the at least partly Negroid strain of the Beja and the Bisharin. Hello guys, so I scoured the internet for that missing example, and this is the Hamitic Agao from northern Ethiopia, and he's actually the most Mediterranean looking individual here, so I'm glad I went searching and found him. I had to remove a watermark, so that's why there's a little bit of the left hand frontal removed. But that means the fellow I showed earlier was a Semitic speaker from Shoa. Until later.